Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change color of your taskbar on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do, you just need to go to your right click on your start menu icon, click on settings. After right click, now you will get your settings window. Now click on personalizations from your left side. On your right side you will get option called colors, so click on that. Now you just need to scroll down a little bit and you will get an option called color on start and taskbar. So you just need to enable that option, and after that you can choose randomly any color from here and it will change your taskbar color on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions in the comments down below, I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.